$20 on the Great Wolf Lodge arcade games, and my name is Aiden.
Oh, and I'm Adam.
And today we're spending $20 in the arcade, so let's see what we can win.
Go back 11 spaces. Let's see what it says. 30.
Wait, can I go again?
Yeah, you can do it again. All right. 75. No. Try it again. Almost 250. We've got 4 tickets.
But at least you got yourself.
Close. One more. Oh, you got the 1,000. You got the bonus.
Yep, that's the highest number.
Yes, that's the jackpot. Yeah, we can do this twice. Don't forget the card. Oh, I got it. You guys try to stop it on the bonus. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Oh, there's a yellow. Come on, one at a time, lady. Oh, that was close. We got 30 tickets. Oh, close. Oh, so close. Yellow. Oh, do it harder. No. No, it's a little too hard. Oh. There you go, there's a yellow. There's one more. One more. Left. There you go. So we got Wait till it comes around. You'll hit the bonus. That was nowhere near the bonus. Try to get right on the 500. Back this, right there. Back, right there. Press the button. Try to get the 100 for the jackpot. What did we get?
It's getting none. It's getting nothing.
75? That's pretty good on this one.
Pretty good.
We'll do it one more time.
Nope.
Maybe.
75.
So we got 175.
Go 176.
176. Okay, here, do it one more time. Yeah, that way. Oh, that was close. Oh, in the 100.
In the 100.
75 and 100. Can't beat that.
No. Right into it.
All right, we're going to see what we've got on our card. So we have 1,874 tickets.
So we're back, and we spent our 1,800 coin tickets. So this is what we got. So we got a slime ball blaster, shoots balls up to 30 feet. Set that to the side. And then we got some more stuff. We got 3 sticker pads. We got a dinosaur. We got a lion. And we got Marlin or Nemo. So the next things we got were 2 bracelets. One for me and one for my sister. Here's the credit card. And the last thing are 10 spicy, sour, cherry candies. So that's all we got. And we will see you in the next video. So bye.